The "something's not quite right" error on Xfinity indicates a temporary service interruption or connection problem with your equipment and their network. This error can stem from three main causes: network outages in your area, issues with your Xfinity modem or cable box, or account related problems. The error prevents you from accessing Xfinity services, including TV, internet, and streaming apps. To quickly address this error, start by checking Xfinity's service outage map online or through their app to see if there's a known issue in your area. If an outage is reported, there's often little you can do but wait for Xfinity to resolve it. If no outage is listed, proceed to troubleshooting your equipment. The first troubleshooting step is to power cycle your Xfinity equipment. Start by unplugging both your modem and cable box from their power outlets. Wait for at least 60 seconds. This allows the equipment to fully power down and clear any temporary issues. Plug the modem back in first and wait for it to fully power on. Watch for the online light to become solid, indicating a stable connection. If the error persists, check that all coaxial cable connections are secure. Ensure cables are tightly fastened to both the wall outlet and your equipment. If you're still experiencing the error after these steps, contact Xfinity support directly. You can reach them by phone or through online chat. Have your account information ready and be prepared to describe the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. Support representatives can diagnose issues remotely or schedule a technician visit if necessary. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help resolve most Xfinity connectivity issues.